Expected hazards include 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are The National Weather Service in Springfield has issued a flash flood warning for southern Cedar County, Dade County, Polk County, until 1:15 a.m. Central Daylight Time Thursday. At 7:13 p.m. Central Daylight Time, Doppler radar indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the warned area. Between 1 and 2 inches of rain have fallen. Additional rainfall amounts of 1 to 2 inches are possible in the warned area. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Expected hazards include flash flooding caused by thunderstorms. Source: radar. The following impacts are expected: flash flooding of small creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, as well as other poor drainage and low-lying areas. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include Bolivar, Greenfield, Lockwood, Fairplay, Morrisville, Polk, Dadeville, Halfway, South Greenfield, Aldridge, Arcola, Umberview Heights, Masters, Bona, Bear Creek, Canehill, Eudora, Dunnigan, Neala, Cedarville, Goodson, Sylvania, Minard, Stockton Lake, Palm de Terre Lake and Stockton State Park. This includes the following low water crossings: Lousy Branch at County Road 85, Ingalls Creek at Highway HH, Turkey Creek at Highway West, Deer Creek at Highway, Bear Creek at 60th Road, Slagle Creek at 86th Road and Sons Creek at County Road 113. Turn around, don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Many flood deaths occur in vehicles. Be especially cautious at night when it is harder to recognize the dangers of flooding. Repeating, a flash flood warning has been issued until 1:15 a.m. Central Daylight.